Hello. Today I am going to show you another quick method of unwrapping the cube projection. So basically, when you need a model of a cube with the same textures on all sides, this projection is the best option. Select the default cube. Switch to edit mode. Select from UV cube projection. Go to material properties. Create a new material. Click on base color and select image texture. Click open. Select the image you want to see on all sides. Go to UV editor. Now there is a square, which actually shows the cube side. Click assign material. Exit edit mode.